Good morning, dear kids. This video consists of exercise 3.6. Let's start. It says, question number 1 says, solve the following pairs of equation by reducing them to form a linear equation. So obviously, if you are given the question some complex equation, first you have to convert them into linear equation. And that two linear equation you can solve simultaneously by using any method if you want. Like we have done three methods: elimination of coefficient, substitution, and cross multiplication. So you can use any method. But first you should be able to transform your equation, your complex equation, into your linear equation. How we'll do it? This is your first equation given in a problem, and your second equation is something like this. My dear kids, if you can notice here, we have 1 upon x and 1 upon y here. Here also 1 upon x and 1 upon y. What we can do is we can let 1 upon x be a and let 1 upon y be b. Can we do that? That will come as an equation a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2, and here a upon 3 plus b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Got my point clear? Now my dear kids, as you take the LCM, you can take the LCM and you will get something like this. So that will be your equation number 1. And for your second equation also, take the LCM, cross multiply, and from there you will get a nice equation, that will be equation number 2. Now my dear kids, it's up to you how you're solving these two equations. This is your first equation and this is your second equation. Got my point clear? Okay. If you find any problem in solving it by the three methods, any method you can use. If you find any problem, you can message me so that I can solve that complete problem for you. Otherwise, you can just go through the videos which we have done previously, solving them by the different methods. You can just watch them and you can come upon this problem and solve this problem. Okay. Next we have I need a eraser, clear page. Okay, then we have problem number 2, which says 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. Okay, my dear kids, in your previous problem, we have substituted a and b. Now your answer will come in the form of a and b, but that is not the final answer. a की जगह पे आपने 1 upon x लिया है, तो you have to then go for 1 upon x की value. Okay, I prefer to solve this second problem completely so that the concept is very clear. And your other equation is something like this. Okay, now here if you could notice, can I keep 1 upon root x as a and 1 upon root y as b? So I'll keep 1 upon root x as a and 1 upon root y as b. You will find that your equation is coming as it is 2a plus 3b is equal to 2, and this equation 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Once you got these both equations, solve them simultaneously by using any method so that you get the value of a as half and you will get the value of b as 1 upon 3. But my dear kids, my problem has started with root x and root y. How I'll give the answer in the form of a and b? No. So what was a? A was 1 upon root x. So I'll keep 1 upon root x as half. I'll cross multiply so that I get root x as 2. My dear kids, you know very well that this root is transferred here as a square, so it will become x is equal to 4. And this b is 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3. Cross multiply, you will get root y is equal to 3. And this root will be transferred here as square, so y will be 3 ka square, that is y is 9. Now that's your final answer. Is that clear? Problem number 3. In problem number 3 we have 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14, and your other equation is 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. Here also, if you notice this is nothing but 4 into 1 upon x, and this is nothing but 3 into 1 upon x. So can I keep this time 1 upon x as a? So that will be this equation will become 4a plus 3y is equal to 14. I don't need to change y because y is in the linear form. It's not that complex to convert into some other variable. And this equation will become 3a minus 4y is equal to 23. Did you got the point why I got 4a and 3a on this side? Because I have kept my 1 upon x as a. Once you got these two equations, as I always say, you have to solve them simultaneously by any method you like. From there you will get the value of a as 5. And your y will be minus 2. Let the y be y as your final answer, but for a, my dear kids, you have to consider, because your question is in the form of x and y, you are giving the answer in the form of a and y. So a you have to consider what is the original value of a. A you have kept as 1 upon x. So I'll take a is equal to y I got. A is 1 upon x is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 I got. 1 upon x is equal to 5. Therefore, if I reciprocate, it will be x is equal to 1 upon 5. Is that clear? Okay. Your next is problem number 4, problem number 4, which says we have 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. And your other equation is 6 upon x minus 1 and 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. My dear kids, if I put this 1 upon x minus 1 as a and 1 upon y minus 2 as b, so what equation I'll get it here? It will be 5a plus b is equal to 2. Can I keep this as equation number 1? And here it will be 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. I'll keep this as equation number 2. And I'll solve these both equations to get the value of a and b. So I'll get the value of a. My dear kids, I'll get the value of a as 1 upon 3 and b as 1 upon 3. Both I'm getting as 1 upon 3. But is my problem done here? No, I have to put the original value of a, that is 1 upon x minus 1. So if I got a as 1 upon 3, that means 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. And I got b as 1 upon 3, that means I got 1 upon y minus 2 as 1 upon 3. So here, dear kids, again you have to cross multiply and get another two equations. Once you cross multiply this, you will get 3x minus 1 is equal to 3. That means value of x you will get 2. No, this minus 1 will go here and it will become 4. I am so sorry. Here also y minus 2 is equal to 3. That means y value you are getting as 5. So until and unless you're last at the end of the question, you should see that you should get the values, the original value of x and y, not what you have given the a and b. If you get a and b, it's your half done. You have to resubstitute the original value and get x and y. Clear? Okay. I'll jump on to problem number 5. Problem number 5, which says 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Okay? And your second question is 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Yes, my dear kids, got my point clear. Now here, my dear kids, if you notice this equation, it must be something like this: 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. And here, if you notice, this must be 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. ताकि इसका एलसीएम बना होगा ऐसा एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके बना होगा ये. हियर ऑल्सो एलसीएम बना होगा ये एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई बना होगा ये. So can I write these equations? Can I write these equations as if this? Can I write your first equation is 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5, and your second equation 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Now my dear kids, you can take same as I have explained you, 1 upon y as a and 1 upon x as b. Once you got that, you can put it here. Your first equation will be 7 into 1 upon y, matlab 7a, minus 2b is equal to 5, and your second equation will be 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. My dear kids, you have to solve this and get the value of a and b. But still your problem is not done. You have to resubstitute that a and b as 1 upon y and 1 upon x and get the value of x and y. I hope you are getting my point very clear. Okay, so that was your problem number 5. Okay. Yes, we will jump on to problem number 6. And problem number 6 says 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. If you directly want to solve it without rearranging it, directly also you can get it. So don't have to worry. If I multiply the whole equation by 3, I'll get 6x plus 12y is equal to 15xy. And this equation you have to compare with this. So I'll get this down. And I'll subtract. As we know, we have to take the opposite sign, so to eliminate x. From there, I'll get 9y is equal to 9xy. Am I correct with this? Yes. Now my dear kids, y I can cancel, 9 I can cancel. So x is equal to, directly you got your answer as 1. You can put your value of x in any equation and get the value of y. I think that is more easy. Clear? Problem number 7, which says 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to 2. Here also 10 upon x plus y means it is 10 into 1 upon x plus y. And 2 upon x minus y means 2 into 1 upon x minus y. In this case, can I take it, let x plus y be a and x minus y be b. And if I keep this as A, so it will be 10A. And if I keep this as B, so it will be 2B is equal to 4. So I got my first equation something like this. And I'll get my second equation something like this. Once you got the two equations, solve them, get the value of A and B. My dear kids, you will get the value of A as 1 upon 5 and B as 1. But here the problem is not yet done. What you have to do next part is A is what? A is 1 upon x. So I'll put 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Cross multiply, I'll get x plus y is equal to 5. Keep this as equation number 3. And b is what? It is x minus y. So you have to put 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. And from there you will get another equation something like this. Mark this as equation number 4. Now you have to solve this equation, my dear kids. You have to solve this equation and this equation simultaneously and get the value of x and y. That will be your final answer. I hope you have understood. Even still, if you have any doubt, you can message me, call me. Okay, God bless.